Good morning, ma'am. My name is Chaniang, and my topic is all about future value and compounding. This is the continuation of Chelo Segovia's report. So, what is future value? Future value is the sum of money which will be received in the future period resulting from investment, taking into account the interest will earn. It is synonymous with the terms terminal value and maturity value. So, the future value is, sayo da sa kitaon yung future value. It is the amount of money or the worth of money na moabot siya na period. Example, mag-deposit ka. Example, deposit ka sa bank na masian. So, the future value of your money worth of 100,000 is time deposit mo siya for 5 years taraw. So, the interest ng sian, it would earn, syempre, pag abot ng 5 years. So, yung amount sian is mas mutaas pa saan kan mo i-deposit because of the interest. So, compounding or accumulation is the process in which future value is determined. So, among niya carry mo throughout the year na i-deposit ka. Example. So, assuming $1 million is invested in a 4-year, 10% financial asset, what is its future value? So, for the 4 years, makita mayo 1, 2, 3, 4, apat ka year, and then the price is, di ba, 1 million. So, the rate is 10%. So, 1 million times 10% is equals to the interest of 100,000 is equals to your 1 million plus the interest is 1,100,000. That is the future value of the investment for only 1 year. Pero if 2 years da, so mag-start na ko isab ng kasi 1 year, di ba, 1,100,000. So, ansiyan ako sa mag-start, dili ka mag-base ang kan mo i-invest na money. So, sa second year na ka man, so sang year 2, so 1,100,000 times 10% is equals to 110,000. So, amo day sabihan kan mo interest na i-earn sang duha ka tuig. Sa ikaduha mo ka tuig na pag-invest. So, your 1 million plus 100,000 from the first year and the 110,000 sang second year is gonna be 1,210,000 sang second year. So, gamiton daw mo isab yung future value ng year 2 sang year 3. So, 1,210,000 times 10% is equals to 121,000. Future value is i-add mo lang tanan from year 1, year 2, and then year 3. So, 1,331,000. Same lang gihapon sa year 4. So, 1,331 times 10 is equals to 133,000 plus the future value of the year 3. So, 1,464,100. Sang 4 years mo na pag-invest ng kan mo $1 million, sang 4 years mo, yung future value naan, that would be 1,464,100. So, at point of zero period, when the amount is invested, the amount is 1 million, di ba? So, it earns compound interest from year 1 to 4. So, at the end of the 4th year, so, yung future value na is 1,464,100. Substituting future value for maturity value. So, future value, among iningawang resulta ng interest ay nang i-invest mo times the rate, and then the interest plus mo yung interest is equals to the future value. So, yung maturity value naan is among yan yung itawag ng iyang sang example for 1 year. And then, sang 1 year, ngayon na period is ang maturity date naan para maabot yan ng, example, di ba, 1 million. Tapos, times 10%, tapos, yung kanan is 100,000, di ba? Yung kanan interest. So, sang 1 year, sang 12 months, na pag-deposit mo siya, amo yung maturity value na 100,000 yung interest. 1,100,000. Amo yung pasabot na ang maturity value. So, for maturity value, we have the formula of future value is equals to P times 1 plus R times to the power of n. So, substitute ta, price, P for 1 million pesos times 1 plus, di ba, 10%, so 0.10 times raised to the power of 4, kay 4 years. So, times ta, bring down ta na pa yung 1 million, and then 1 plus 0.10 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 1.4641. Diba? Is equals to, times mo din yan ng 1 million, so, is equals to 1,464,100. So, the investment is made once, hence the factor used to multiply the principal, which is period 1, the future value factor available in the future value table. Kita nga, among lang kung gaina. So, the factors in the future value table are the reciprocal of corresponding factors in the PV table. So, if instead of using the formula, we use the FV table. So, FV is equals to PV times future value factor for n periods at interest percent. So, the formula is future value is equals to PV times FVFN and interest. So, using the FV table, we look at the 10% and the 4-year, and we get 1.4641. So, exactly what we got when we raise 1.1 to the 4th power is, so 1 million times 1.4641 is equals 1,461,100. So, ang mananggi, reciprocal bang ini or something siya?